Beauties, it's me, Alegra. I got some new makeup today that I thought would be super fun to play with you guys and show you my first impressions. And so I went ahead and did that already. So if you'd like to see how I put together this look using all of my new makeup, then just keep watching. So I just got this package in the mail from Decay and I have no idea what's inside, guys, but the box is so gorgeous. It looks like, it reminds me of a Palm Springs kind of sunset, just those gorgeous kind of desert vibe going on. It looks maybe Coachella vibes, I don't know, guys. So let me go ahead and open it. Ooh, wow. So it says pull an all-nighter on the longest day of the year. Oh my gosh, guys, they sent a primer. So in here is the Decay primer potion. I haven't used that in a while. I gotta try it. The Perversion waterproof fine point eye pen. Oh, I gotta try. I'm really excited to try that. The Urban Defense Complexion primer, SPF 30. Oh my god, guys. This is a single shadow in Fireball. Perversion mascara. I love that. I have one of those and I love it. I bought it at Ulta and I love it. So then they sent some more Glide On eye pencils. I truly am obsessed with their eye pencils because they have such unique color choices and they make your whole eye makeup look just so, you know, different and unique and absolutely gorgeous. So I know I have like a purple one, Alkaline. I love that. They had that emerald green one that came out with the Born to Run collection. I love that. There's Lucky. It's like a gorgeous shimmery bronze. I love that. So, oh my god, guys. So today they sent Chaos and Psychedelic Sister. So these really gorgeous blue and purple eyeliners. So I'm really, really excited for that. Oh, and then they sent the Chill Cooling and Hydrating Makeup Spray, oil-free, paraben-free, temperature-controlled technology. Oh my god, I can't wait to try this. I always use this when I go into Sephora. I always grab for this. And because it feels so good, especially in the summer. So I love this. So thank you so much to Decay for sending me that beautiful gift, and I can't wait to play with everything. These pencils always inspire me to. A lot of times they will inspire my look. So let's see here. Chaos, that blue, or Psychedelic Sister. I actually just bought this the other day at Sephora. So. But Psychedelic Sister looks so nice. It's like a really vibrant purple. I don't know. I gotta think about it, guys. Maybe I'll work on my face and then I'll think about what look I'll do. I know I've been loving a bronze glowy face lately. I guess it could be with the summer here. And I definitely want to use this Makiage Woke Up Like This Flawless Base Foundation. So I'm going to use this today. So let me get right into it and I'll just start doing my makeup and we'll see what we come up with. I did just get this Tatcha, the Silk Canvas Primer. So guys, I had so much fun at the Makiage event the other day. I met up with Paint Me Pretty Cynthia and she is just so nice. And guys, she's so awesome. She came up with this idea that in September we're all going to meet up in New York City, in Little Italy, and she's friends with so many makeup artists and beauty influencers. So she said let's all go out to dinner, have drinks, and it feels really good, guys. And so I was like, yeah, I can't wait. So I also got some new makeup from MAC. I got this new highlighter. I'm not actually sure if it's new, but it's called Soft Frost. So I'm really excited to use this today. And I washed all my brushes, so I'm feeling good. So now I'm just going to go in with, I was going to use this today, but actually I just used the Tatcha, but I got the MAC matte. This is a mattifier, but I'll use that another day. So I also got these new glitters, guys. I got these new glitters from the Be Beautiful studio, it's in London, and these are I love these, and they're like $4 though. So guys, I'm going to do my eyebrows and I'll prime my eyes and I'm going to grab a palette. I'm not sure which palette, maybe, and I'll be right back. And I'll do my eyes, my base and my brows, and I'll be right back. So guys, I just did my brows. I feel like they look a little wonky today, but whatever. And I decided just to go for the Born to Run palette because when I saw these shades like Guilt Trip and Wild at Heart and Hell Ride, the purple shades, with that purple eyeliner, I think will look so gorgeous. So I haven't used it since the other day with you guys, but I loved how that look came out with it. I just love this palette so much, so I figure I'll give it another look with it, like a really nice purple, vibrant purple. I haven't done that in so long. So have I ever done that? I don't remember. Yeah, I have. The last time I did a vibrant purple eye was with I had a LA Girls I think it was LA Colors. It was like a $1 palette, and the shadows came out gorgeous though. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion today. So I haven't used this in the longest time. So I'm just going to take Breakaway on this little tiny fan brush, and I'm just going to put that under my brows to highlight. I'm going to try this one today as a transition color. So I'm going to use Still Shot from the Born to Run palette. Oh, that's so pretty, guys. Guys, that is so gorgeous right there on its own. It's making me I feel like I just want to do this. Like I could just do this. Well, this is another color you could just do all over. And some wing liner. Oh my god, isn't that cool? Look at that. I don't even need to look in the mirror with these shadows, guys, because I know, because they just blend perfectly. And it's amazing. It's so wonderful. I gotta say, at this point in time, I wouldn't buy certain eyeshadows that I used to buy, because I'd rather save for a good shadow. It's so much more fun. It comes out so much more amazing. So I'm gonna go in now with Baja. It's like a really fiery orange. I'm gonna wind up just doing, well, we'll see, guys. Oh, that is gorgeous. I gotta zoom you guys in again because it's gorgeous. It's so beautiful. I just want you to just see like how you just put it on with the brush and it's blended and it looks gorgeous. Like isn't that amazing? I'm not used to it, guys, because I had been using everything out there, and trust and believe that you've seen with your own eyes. I'll be working. I didn't, to be honest, I didn't know better, so I was like, oh, it's okay, just blend and blend, you know. No. Now I'm spoiled. I'm like, if it doesn't blend like right away, I don't want it. I don't want it. But guys, what should I do for the lid? I feel like doing, oh god, it's so confusing, because I love that fire, that orange, that color is so, maybe we'll do like a ombre gold into purple. And I'm just gonna pack that on my lid, because this is another time where I'm just so in love with this color. I don't want it to like, I don't even want to, you know, I just want to keep going with this color because it's so gorgeous. Oh, guys, it's like done right there. Yeah, and then I'll just, you know, smoke out the bottom with the purple. Or maybe I'll pack some gold glitter on top of this, because that is so, it's just so gorgeous. I couldn't resist. So now I'm going to take some Punk and just kind of, you know, put that in my outer crease to give it some depth. I'm just gonna do a little bit because I love that orange so much. I don't even want it to go, so I'm so in love with that color, guys. It's like I don't even want to do anything else. Maybe I'll just smoke out the bottom. I'm so in love, guys. I just went right over Punk with Baja again because I don't even want, I just am in love with that color, Baja. Isn't it gorgeous? So I'm going to smoke out the bottom, and I'm going to use that purple liner though on the bottom. I know that looks kind of crazy, but I'm going to clean it up, don't worry. I'm going to clean it up, guys, don't worry. But this is just a little concealer to clean up the edges. But and this is the Makiage concealer, guys. I love this concealer. It's so lightweight and natural, and it's just gorgeous. So here is the pencil. That's so pretty. So now I'm just going to pack over that liner though with the purple. This is Guilt Trip. Guys, I'm loving this guilt trip so much, so I'm gonna go ahead and start mixing that with the Baja color, because it's so, they're going so beautifully together. So I'm gonna start putting this right in there. And then I'm just gonna put some of this Ignite shimmer on the lid, because now that I'm playing, I'm having so much fun, so I don't want to stop. This isn't even wet, guys, and it comes out like that. So guys, I'm really loving this so far, the orange and purples. You know, it looks a little crazy right now, but once I pull everything together, we'll be good. So I'm just going to take some of my glitter, because I love it, my Urban Decay glitter, and just put that right over that gold. So I'm just going to let that dry, guys, and do my face now. And I'm going to use this Lancome Ultra Wear Makeup Stick. I love this. I've been wearing this lately. I kind of like do it like concealer, but I love it. So guys, this is the Makiage foundation. Actually, the finish is just so gorgeous. So guys, I'm going to use some of this Makiage Back to Black Mineral Baked Bronzer that Stephanie had used on me the other night, and she had put it under my eyes, and I love the effect. I'll do that again today. Guys, so I've been loving this Kylie blush. Her blush, I think this is her birthday palette blush. It's such a beautiful blush. So I'm just going to use that today. And then I love, for a summer look, is to take this Luster blush from NARS and just go right over any blush that you put on. And if you put this Luster on top, it looks so beautiful, especially for like a bronze summer look. And so guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my lashes, and then I'll be right back. So guys, I just went ahead and put on my lashes. These are House of Lashes. These are the Cecil lashes, so I just love House of Lashes. And I actually put some more glitter on, because I did get this new glitter from the Be Beautiful studio. So I put some of this on. This is the color Freaky. I just had to put some on top because this glitter is actually gold and purple mixed together. So I had to just go ahead and put that on. So I put that right over my Urban Decay metallic glitter. So it's just like probably super glittery now, right? I just love this glitter so much, guys. So I'm loving that. And then I think I'll just go ahead and put on the highlighter now, the new highlighter that I got. So let me go ahead and wet my face. Oh, that feels so good. This is the Urban Decay Chill Makeup Setting Spray. So I'm just really excited to use this today. This is the MAC Soft Frost. So I'm just going to put this right on top of my wet skin. I think that's so pretty for the summer, guys, because it has some pink in it. And I'm just putting on some, this is the Lancome Big Mascara, so I'm putting some of this on. And actually I'm going to put a little bit more luster on and a lip. I had worn this the other day. This is Tea Leaves from Carity. These are just the most amazing liquid lipsticks, and they're only $6. I'm such a lip liner junkie, guys. You don't even need lip liner with this liquid lipstick. It's crazy, and it lasts so long. So guys, this is the finished look. I went ahead and put on this new MAC. This is the Aaliyah collection, and so this is the color Try Again. So I just put this color on. This is actually, for me, a little bit more, it just feels more comfortable. Because I do have a heavy kind of dramatic eye, so I figured I would pare down the lips a little bit. But I love this color so much. So this is just such a gorgeous color. And I did get the palette, so I did purchase that at MAC though. And guys, I just went ahead and curled my hair. I use the Dry Bar curling iron, the 1-inch barrel. I am so obsessed with that curling iron still. It's one of the best things I ever purchased. And then I also, just the other day, I got the Amika straightening brush. And they have a little portable one, and I got that one. It's like $30. So after I curl my hair, I brush it, you know, really, not too, you know, I just brush it. It smooths everything out. It gives you these kind of really luscious, you can't really see, I guess, because my hair is so dark, but I'm really, really so in love with those two those two hair tools. They're so amazing. So guys, that's pretty much it. So guys, thank you so much for coming to hang out with me today. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye!